Welcome to Sleep Science Today, and you are watching the Sleepytini channel. Yeah, we look at all sorts of things that help you sleep better. The best thing to do when you want to get ready for sleep is to take about an hour before you sleep to wind down. What better way to wind down than enjoying a nice, healthy drink? And when I say a drink, no alcohol, no caffeine, none of the bad stuff, not full of added sugars or any of those things. These are drinks that are made to help you wind down. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to take some pomegranate juice, real pomegranate juice here, and we are going to take some ginger, because that's a lovely combination, a little bit of chamomile tea, and we will take some melatonin. So let's start off. Pomegranate juice, let's shake that up. Put just a little bit in here. Okay. See that in the glass. We're going to take some ginger. We've got a grater here. So we're just going to grate that ginger a little bit. And you'll see it works really well. Ginger grates very easily. You get a lot of ginger on the back of the grater here. Drop it into the glass. Come over here. We're going to get some melatonin, 3 milligrams of melatonin, and then we're going to pour in some of our chamomile tea. And we are going to mix that up, but martini shaker, how are you going to make it cold without a martini shaker? We add some ice, and in this case, I'm going to strain out any pieces. Okay. We got that ginger flavor in there, but we don't need the little pieces to chew on. Close it up and shake. Can't have a Sleepytini without a martini glass. Open this up and watch what this looks like when that comes out. Oh, wow. Look at the beautiful color of that pomegranate juice. Wow. I wish you could smell the ginger. It's really powerful, but let's see what it tastes like. Pomegranate, ginger, chamomile. Wow, I can definitely see sitting down, reading a nice book, enjoying this, winding down for the day. Makes for a good night of sleep. So join us here on Sleep Science Today to watch all of our Sleepytini videos. We've got tons of them for you because we know sleep. Now, you know what you need to do. You need to subscribe. You need to like. You need to hit that notification bell. You need to share it with your friends. And you need to comment below on how did this work out for you. Did you like it? Did you prefer we did it differently? Let us know, and maybe we'll go ahead and make your own recipe if you share one with us. So we'll see you on Sleep Science Today. Take a look at all the different Sleepytinis, and if you really want to learn about the science of sleep, listen to our other shows. We get into the deep details of what sleep is all about and how it works. We'll see you there.